Let's learn about personas. When you develop a user-centric product, it is much critical to get information about the future user of your product. In stakeholder management, we collect this information about the end user or a customer. We interact with them to get more information. However, there is one interesting tool which helps us to visualize a user and their needs is called personas, which means there is no real person exist. It is a fictional character and that's called personas. Let's little understand about the background. Alan Cooper in the year 1998 coined this term called personas. You know who is Alan Cooper? If you know visual basics in software industry, he is called as a father of visual basics. He launched it in 1991. Now, what's the benefit? What is it in persona? Persona helps us to look from the customer's perspective to understand what they think, how do they feel, how do they behave with the product. Let me show an example. Imagine you and me work in a banking system and this bank want to launch a digital product on loan sanctioning system. Now we create a fictional character called persona. John, age of 55, lives in New York City. He lives with two children and spouse. Now John is running a small scale business. He want to expand the business. Also he would move to a apartment where he want to buy that. Now there is a chance he want to go for getting a loan in the bank. Now let's understand a little more of his character. John is not much digital oriented. At the same time, John is pretty busy. He cannot go to the bank and submit the document. You want to scan it, we can do it with a mobile, and you want to make this loan segment happen smoothly. Now, which I mentioned right now, there is no person called John exist or maybe exist, but we create a fictional character to understand how this person is going to approach his product, what kind of person going to approach his product. Now, like this, they could create more fictional characters, more than one individual or a group of people, and this helped the product managers, the designers, the project engineers to think more efficient and engaging product for the customer. And that's a success of a persona. Now come back again here. Persona is one of the tools used to visualize the end user and their needs. Here we are creating a fictional character through which we see their behavior, their feel, and their thinking process towards the product. And this helps in some of the products which is more user centric, where we need a more personal touch, where we want to get empathize with the products or customers user point of view. Now, persona will help you to talk about the requirement gathering from the customer's perspective. And this is a part of your PMP certification. Read this topic persona in stakeholder management. You can also read this in requirement gathering, that is in scope management. Keep rocking, keep winning in your project management career.